Want to connect your Android phone to your Windows computer? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Android device to PhoneLink. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to sync notifications, text messages, photos, phone calls, and more between your phone and PC. So let's jump right in. Begin by opening the PhoneLink app on your Windows computer. If you don't see it, open the Start menu, search for PhoneLink, and launch the application. When PhoneLink opens, select the Android option. This tells Windows that you'll be connecting an Android device and prepares the correct setup process. Now pick up your Android phone. If your device doesn't already include the link to Windows app, install it from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in using the same Microsoft account that's signed in on your Windows computer. Yeah, make sure it's the same account on both devices. Back on your computer, PhoneLink will display a QR code. In the Link to Windows app, choose the option to scan the QR code, then point your phone's camera at your computer screen. After a few seconds, the devices should pair automatically. Once the connection is complete, your phone will request several permissions. Allow access to notifications, contacts, messages, photos, and phone calls. These permissions let PhoneLink sync your content with your computer. Return to your computer and wait while PhoneLink finishes syncing. After a moment, you'll see your recent notifications, photos, messages, and other phone information appear. You're now ready to use your Android phone directly from your Windows PC, and that's how you connect your Android phone to PhoneLink. Once everything is set up, staying connected across your devices becomes quick and convenient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips, Android tutorials, and easy tech guides. I'll see you in the next video.